Researchers have developed the first LiDAR-based augmented reality for use in self-driving technology. The following video is a 3D model of central London, based on LiDAR data. LiDAR is commonly used in agriculture, archaeology, and geography, but it is also being trialed in autonomous vehicles for obstacle detection. It has been suggested that this new augmented reality-based approach could improve road safety by seeing through visual obstructions, such as road signs that are hidden by large trees or trucks. This is done by projecting multiple layers of holograms with the help of advanced algorithms, which are then aligned with the position of the represented real object on the street. However, it should be noted that Elon Musk famously hates LiDAR and says he will never employ it in Tesla's vehicles, which will continue to use video cameras for autonomous driving. It would be interesting to see which technology will win out in the end in the industry. But in my personal opinion, a combinatorial approach that uses both cameras and LiDAR would be the best way to achieve a rapid, accurate, and complete perception system for autonomous vehicles.